This is one of those homes that stays with you long after you leave. A wonderful restoration and a home full of country antiques. And it made the cover. This home tour came to us as an assignment. We typically arrive at a home with just a few notes and some scouting photos from the editor. So this 1949 Colonial Revival in North Carolina was a wonderful surprise. It was even more beautiful and far larger than we had anticipated. This room has such a refined and traditional look. Wonderful color, rounded molding, tall painted baseboard, all part of the Colonial Revival style. This beautiful niche was once a bookcase and got a period upgrade. The salmon color interior creates backdrop for displays. first view of the breakfast room shows classic country style with scrub-top hutch table, painted chairs and floor cloth, with pretty valance and plates above, and with the change of chairs, the next view is transformed, and also the way it looked when we shot for Country Sampler. The kitchen was redesigned, keeping in mind always the feeling of Colonial Revival style, with raised panel millwork, cabinets with shaker knobs, and a stovetop alcove. Lucille's style shines through, with many touches such as a creative pot rack with a wagon wheel with a nice display of tampered candles, baskets, and pots. The butler pantry is part of an addition, as is the breakfast room. Of Colonial Revival decorating is the coordinated use of fabrics and wall coverings throughout a room. Notice how in the blue and white bedroom, the bed hanging and curtains are matched, while in the red bedroom, the wall covering and curtains share the same pattern, creating that sense of unified, period-appropriate elegance. Now we find ourselves on the back porch with this wonderful painted floor, a compass rose paired with a diagonal checkerboard, two of the most beloved motifs in American decorating, a beautiful detail in a home full of them. About 4 years later, Country Sampler magazine came calling, and we returned to shoot even more of this extraordinary home. It's that kind of place. The more you look, the more you find. And the story doesn't stop at the front door. Lucille and Wade purchasing the neighboring lot and created breathtaking gardens that welcome visitors for garden tours each spring, and even inspire plein air painters to set up their easels on the ground. home was designed by renowned Boston architect Royal Barry Wills, and we think he would approve of what Lucille and Wade have done here. I hope you enjoyed this home tour.